Greetings, my friends. This is Gilles Mansillon. I have very little time to do this video because my phone has very little memory. So today is a full moon and eclipse. So it's very important to know that eclipses are assisting. We're going to have another eclipse, solar eclipse on the 5th. Today is the only day that matters. It's really the only days that really counts because it is now. It is the day we live today. And so all the past is an accumulated experience, lesson learned, and the future is now. So it is very important to understand just cause and effect. When the shift happens, people will not be able to turn to the sacred books for the answers. They're going to have to live in the now, experiencing the now. All cause and effect. The Christ, the Buddha said that. So it's important to be fearless and to keep a very high frequency. For the soul is not concerned with material success. The soul is only concerned with truth, goodness, kindness, compassion, love that is felt and expressed. So it's important to integrate that, to release negative energy of fear to the earth. The earth will know how to transmute it. And to find the peace and well-being where we are. It's very important. I'm going to pull one card. I'm going to have to do this video short because so the card of the day is deep knowledge. We're cultivating this deep knowledge and receiving the information from the soul. Even if I'm not here to remind you to keep your energy high, to your frequency high, really. And tonight is nothing is better than your home, the sense of well-being, the feeling good. And so it is important to know that all those dark egregores are not the responsibility and karma of humanity. They were created by the dark souls. They will harvest it 100-fold. So just call on the light whenever there is any form of darkness that may be imposed upon you, and find the peace and well-being. For your heart connection, it's about the heart connection, the exchange of peace, love, joy, compassion. And there's going to be a Kundalini activation. And when we're ready, that will activate the right and left brain, that will balance it out to enter through the bone marrow, through the spine, to put your consciousness in your belly and enter it into your skeleton, to be seated, anchored within your physical body, to balance out the chakras, but to be well seated in the physical essence, send the energy into the earth. When you sit, it's at the bottom of the spine. When you're standing, it's through your feet, to anchor it into the earth, to be very well anchored, and to be seated in your I am presence. For we created all kinds of self-defense mechanism to prevent the divine flow of love that from the source, because we lived in a world that was very contrasted. So it's about letting go of blame, shame, regret, or anything about it, anything that's related to that. For the game of creation, we came here to experience this liberation. So becoming aware of our soul mission to transmute lower cultural and familiar bond and limitation. For all suffering comes from resistance and the fears and trauma. So we want to recall the divine that liberates us. The highest wisdom is family. It's connecting to those people that we feel good to connect on a physical level or even energetic level. What we need to understand is consolation. What we need to do is success. And the outcome is our mission. We're getting ready for our mission. Everything will be given. For the solar flash keeps coming, and they're coming very slowly but surely, and the little by little. It is the little drops that makes the big rivers. And so so it's about finding this compassion for humanity as well. For the more we can feel in the joy and the well-being, the more we contribute in the beingness that we contribute. We need to have this powerful bubble of light that needs to be anchored within us. We came here into this physical body to experience what it is to eat food, physical food, to experience suffering and separation, to experience sex, all those things we didn't know up there. Everything was, we had other forms of pleasure, but we want to be integrated within our avatar body, which is about service. All the answers to all our questions are available at any time from anyone, from through our dream, intuition, messages, books, messages. They all, whenever we're ready to have an answer, the answer will come, even from people that are unawakened. And find the peace and tranquility within nature, and stop listening to the media, the mass media, all their fear and violence. We have to be very strong in our divinity, not to be affected with all this violence that's been broadcasted. And so for it's about we have to enjoy those last moments of separation, those last moments of fear, those last moments of lack, those last moments. Those are the last moment, and once we achieve this connection, we'll never feel it again. We'll never choose to return to anything like that. So it's about those last moments of bondages before we find freedom. For we can't really appreciate health if we've never been sick. We can never. So now, after living all those processes, we're gonna feel like the freedom is gonna be so much nicer. So understand that the physical sun is broadcasting the light of the Christ, the golden white light of the Christ, called on Helios, with his angels of the golden light, and to bring this golden sphere of light within yourself, and then you can surround yourself with it. For all the shadows, the nightmares, and the illusion will vanish as soon as you call on the light. For it's not your karma, it's not your responsibility. They don't have the right to touch on for the uninformed public. It's like they came to play that game of separation. But for those who are informed, you don't have to play the game or to fight even against it. You have to say no, just stop, cease and desist with all your programs of limitation and all your experimentation. We call on that from the heart and from the soul and our spirit. We call on the angel to be our executor in this acknowledgement that this program has to end. Those criminals will have to stop their program. But it's very much. But it's like it's not our responsibility. We didn't create those dark egregores and those demons. It's the dark souls that have created it, and they're gonna harvest it. So continue to cultivate the 3 sacred flames in your heart and the 7 sacred flames in your mind, and so just continue to work with this Ark of the Covenant, the rainbow light, for it's like it will bring the balancing of the divine feminine, the divine masculine, the both brains, and let the Christ take over. The Holy Spirit, the Sophia, those will definitely bring you back. Just continue to fuel this flame with oxygen into this breath of God. For God is I am is consciousness, and consciousness is God. And you are not just a fragment of God; you are the totality of God. So just eventually we'll come to learn that this cosmic joy, this cosmic light, this cosmic love is a deep nourishment. For now, we still need physical food, but and trust. We got to trust yourself. We have to as humanity, we have to come together and acknowledge this sovereignty and reconnect also to the nature and the environmental kingdom, the natural kingdom, the magic kingdom. So once they know they're loved, they're trusted, they're respected, we're going to be able to co-create a new world together with those invisible forces that retreated themselves at the time of the when men came in with all these machines. So it is all part of the process. I'm just going to share briefly some paintings because I have to make this video short. So this is I still have to work on the Paradise Center. It's about the grand universe. This is another one of the grand universe. Also have to just work on I've been working on this poem of Charles Baudelaire. So I was going to bring blue in one of the line out of 2, but now I may do some yellow. It's all those are very complex paintings, and this one is reserved. It's pretty finished. It's a painting. Oops, upside down. It's about the super universe of Orvonton. I had to go into a darker yellow here, and then to go into darker purple because it was a bit too much, and then this one is it's called Love Is All That Is, but I might go into deeper magenta on it. And so thank you very much for liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing. Thank you for your donations. I'm going to sing a song briefly if I can. I have time. I'm going to pull one more card. It is the 8 of Ariel. You can be proud of the work that you've accomplished. It is by practicing that you learn. Think about taking again a study or formation. Continue to learn, to go through the initiation. So I'm going to sing this song. I've finished. I have to make it short because I don't have much memory on my phone. It's called I Stopped the World. Moving forward using all my breath. Making love to you was never second best. I saw the world trashing all around your face. Never really knowing, always measureless. I'll stop the world and melt with you. I've seen the difference and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do. I'll stop the world and melt with you. Dream of better life, the kind which never hate. Drop the state of imaginary grace. I made the pilgrimage to save this human race, never comprehending the race was long gone by. I'll stop the world and melt with you. I've seen the difference and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do. I'll stop the world and melt with you. The future's open wide. I'll stop the world and melt with you. I've seen the changes and it's getting better all the time. I gotta stop because I know the phone, my memory on my phone is gonna stop in a minute. So I wanted to wish you a good day. This full moon, this eclipse is very powerful. Just be anchored, be in your peace, in your joy, and everything will go well. I wish you a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Adonai.